Srinivasa places the 9 labeled balls shown below into a box. Srinivasa then chooses 2 balls at random, one at a time from the box. The first ball is not replaced before he chooses the second. So our first part says find the probability that the first ball chosen is labeled A. To find this, we need to get the number of balls labeled A divided by the number of total balls in the box. The number of balls labeled A is 1, 2, 3. We get 3 divided by the number of total balls in the box, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3 over 9, or 1 over 3, or a 33.3%. Part 2 says find the probability that the first ball chosen is labeled A or labeled N. To find this, we can find the probability of the ball being labeled A or labeled N divided by the number of total balls in the box. This is A, 1, 2, 3, or it could also be N. So that's 4, 5. In total, that's 5 balls divided by the total, which is 9 balls. This is a 55.6% chance. Okay, part B. Find the probability that the second ball chosen is labeled A, given that the first ball chosen was labeled N. Note that this part says the first ball is not replaced, which means if our first ball chosen is labeled N, we get rid of it and we don't put it back into the box. That means our probability of the second ball being A is the number of balls labeled A divided by the number of balls left in the box after we got rid of that last ball. This is 1, 2, 3 balls being labeled A divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls left in the box, which is 3 over 8, or a 37.5% chance. The last part says find the probability that both balls chosen are labeled N. So we need the probability of the first ball being N, and we need the probability of the second ball being N. For this, we need to find the probability of the first ball, which is the number of balls labeled N divided by the total balls in the box, and which means we multiply the number of balls labeled N that are left divided by the number of balls that are left in the box after that. This is the number of balls labeled N is 1, 2 over the total, which is 9, multiplied by the number of balls that are left. So once we find this first ball that's N, we get rid of it. So we have only 1 N left out of 8 balls left in the box. This is a 2 over 72, or a 2.78% chance. And there we go.